Notice I was using a push stick. I always use a push stick when I use my bandsaw. You can pick up material for push sticks at any building site. And you can cut it to any angle you need. Sometimes you'll use 2 push sticks. Whatever you need to do the job without putting your hands next to that blade. You need to keep your fingers for the next job. Use a push stick. Anyway, use a push stick, would you? But whatever you don't want to do is not use a push stick. Is that correct? Virtually all bandsaws have adjustable tables. The problem is once you adjust it for another angle, you've got to bring it back to 90. There is a protractor on the bottom that tells you it's 90 degrees, but I don't trust it. I always use a nice precision square, and I'm going to line it up and make sure I don't see any light on that blade. When cutting round pieces, you'll come in here and it'll tend to want to turn on you all the time. So what I do is I clamp it in the vise, and then I'll trim a piece of wood that comes stitched. Give it real nice support so it's even right across. It just snugly fits under there. Okay, see now I got support here on the outside, and now I use it in the vise as my push stick. I can cut right through this piece without it turning. You can actually see the wax building up on the material I'm cutting through. See how nice and safe that was? Thanks for watching.